Hi friends, welcome to SURA used machineries. We are selling used Cnc Vmc Hmc surface grinding, power press and many more machineries which is available in Singapore. Now I am in Singapore. I am just standing in front of one yard in Singapore. Especially we are exporting used machineries from Singapore to Chennai. Chennai we have our own yard at Thirumudivakkam, Chennai. We have many more machineries available in Chennai, Thirumudivakkam. We are supplying machineries from Singapore to Chennai. So if you want to purchase any kind of machineries, used machineries from Singapore or Chennai, you can directly connect me to my WhatsApp number 8489761364. I am just standing in front of one yard at Singapore. Now I am going to show you some machineries inside the yard at Singapore. So now we are going to see some machineries available inside the yard. Funnel control robot drill machine, 20,000 RPM. One more machine is available backside. So these machines actually currently we have in the yard. Apart from this, we are selling many more machineries. This is only the temporary yard. We have many more yards in Singapore. We have machineries like a Cnc Vmc. You can see this is Cnc machine. All imported from Taiwan, Japan. If you want to purchase good condition machine with a flexible price, you have to choose our services. Our services available not only in Singapore. At Chennai we have one yard. At Thirumudivakkam we have one yard. We are exporting from Singapore to Chennai. We are exporting Singapore to Chennai. All type of machineries. Now I am taking these images. Now I am taking this video from Singapore. So this is manual lathe. This is power press machine, 60-ton power press machine. 60-ton power press machine. So many more machineries available. Not only in this yard, we have many yards outside. Whatever you want to purchase, whatever machineries actually, any kind of machineries you can purchase through us. We are number one exporter from Singapore to Chennai. I just show you the available machineries in this yard, but we have many different yards in different part of Singapore. So we will deliver in right time. The price will be very good price we are giving you, and we are exporting from Singapore to Chennai. Chennai we have our own yard at Thirumudivakkam. From Thirumudivakkam we will deliver to your doorstep. We are experienced. The all process will be simple process. So don't hesitate to connect me. My WhatsApp number is 8489761364.